This is the bracket used to install a TrafficLED flasher on a 2/3/8" diameter post. You're going to need a 1/2" ratchet, a 7/16 wrench, a 1/8 Allen key, and a drill. Installing the bracket is easy. Just bolt the U-clip to the bracket. Drill a 1/2" hole for the cable. Install the flasher. Secure the bolt to the bracket. Pass the flasher cable through the post. You can also use an extension cable. Connect the solar panel to the flasher cable. Insert the extra cable in the post and slide the solar panel over the post. Make sure the solar panel is facing south. Tighten the screws to secure the panel with an Allen key. Always make sure that your solar panel is facing south and is clear of obstructions. For flasher that requires more than one bracket, fix the flasher to the first bracket. Then fix the second bracket to the flasher and secure the bracket to the post with the U-clip. Signs and flasher should clear 7 feet off the ground.